What have you got, boys?
Big bed.
Are you gonna lie on your big bed?
We got one here. We got. Oh, whoopee!
What is it, Tommy?
Oliver, that's your one over there. This is Dominic one here. The car one is yours.
Cars is for Oliver. And vegetables is for Dominic.
Me.
Me.
Yes, you.
And this is for me.
You gonna lie on your bed, Oliver? Wow-wee. Is that fun?
I want it. Fun.
And are you gonna get Booker to bring him onto your bed?
I want it.
Look, Dominic.
I want it.
Wow-wee, are you jumping on your bed?
I want it.
Show me how you jump on your bed, Oliver. Wow.
This is scary now. Need to get the railings.
Uh-oh. Whoa. Jump, jump, jump.
Careful you jump.